Hello everyone, welcome back to my little jungle. Yep, we are here back again at my white table. So I pull out my ZZ Raven because I was growing it inside the house under my grow light for over a year now because I bought these last year February. So ta-da! I have a bunch of growth since I bought it. The old leaves, actually, the old canes leaves like this, they're all gone. These are all leaves from me growing it under my grow light, so inside my house. So anywho, I found that there's a bunch of white what's that, white ants inside it when I was watering it. And so today I decided that I am going to repot it right here, and also it will give it more room to grow here. So we'll do it this time, and this time I am going to use my premix potting soil. I mix it. I put potting mix, perlite, some bark, and also a coconut coir. So that's my, I mixed those I think last week. So that's what I'm going to do. But if you can see, I have this here. This is a bark chips. I'm going to put it in here. I was thinking to put it right there, but instead I'm just going to put it as a top layer. So let's do it. Oh, my mixture is here at the bottom of my table. So that's where we are gonna get the soil. If you can see, I put this mesh, yellow mesh, that is to protect the soil from going out from that hole. That's a hole. It has a plug. That way I don't waste my water. The water don't go through it because I'm growing it inside the house, so I need to make sure, oops, I need to make sure that this plug is put properly. So that's it. That's what, ooh, it's so windy actually. It's so windy right now. That's why those soil is keep flying away. But anyway, let's put a new right here. Just put a little bit because the roots of this plant is so vigorously growing. That's why it stays growing so nice inside the house. Oops, I didn't put my camera back again. Oops, sorry. So let's check the roots first. It is inside its original pot. This is its original pot. See? That's the original pot. Sorry, the wind is blowing. That's messed up. I don't want to waste those because I'm still gonna use those. See, look at the roots here. Oh, I got plenty of roots outside. It's gonna be tough for them, but I need to take them out from this pot. They're so bonded here. It's not moving at all. I don't want to mess with them actually. I want them to. I cannot massage it. It's so full of roots. Oh gosh, how am I gonna do it? Okay. Well, the wind's not helping. It's so full of bulb. Ooh, I broke one. I broke it already. I think I need to get my thing. Uh-oh, I forgot to put my microphone. So let's do this way. Let's see if this will work. don't have my knife. I mean, yeah, my knife and my scissor to cut this. So we are going to yeah, the roots are so bonded, so full of roots. That's why it won't go. Maybe we need to trim these roots here. That's what's preventing it to come in loose. Don't worry, you're just gonna push new roots and plenty of new roots. Just need to do it properly. Okay, let's stop the video first. Ta-da! Welcome back. So I managed to break the pot. So we have this useless pot already, so I can't use it anymore. Anyway, I used my chopstick to take it. Look how nice the root system is. So I think I'm just gonna put it as is in my pot. There's no soil. Well, it has soil, but not much anymore. See, I have a lot of new growth coming up here, so I'm just gonna put it right. Ooh, I broke this leaf here, but it's all right. It's so easy to propagate. So let me just pull it. Okay, I'm just going to propagate this. I'm going to put it in a water, or maybe I'm just going to put it in a little pot. Well, I'm just gonna put it in the water, I guess. So I don't like it when I break my plants, actually. Anyway, I can't do much about it. Oh, I got another one, little bitty one, got broken. Ta-da! So they're all gonna be propagated. Almost did that too. So anyway, it's all right. When it's situated in a new pot, they're gonna grow nice. So at this time, let's just remove these in here. So I cannot see the white. What do you call that? Ants anymore. I wish I could. But it's alright. Yeah, it was right here when I saw it when I was watering yesterday. So anyway, I'm just gonna put it like this. And gonna move these. Ooh, my pot is a little heavier than the first one, but it's alright. So I'm just gonna do it this way, put it like that. I cannot propagate it yet because I don't want to propagate it actually, because I want it to be luscious. So well, I have to propagate two now because I broke two. So let's put soil, new soil here. Next time it's gonna be so hard for me to remove it from here. You know what I mean? But ooh, that is a bad thing. So I don't really want to trim it. Make it smaller. But I'm thinking if I leave it right here for a couple years, it's gonna be so hard for me to take this off here. I might break my pot, but it's not gonna happen. I'm not gonna break my pot because this pot is so expensive. So that's alright. No matter what, we're going to make sure the plants are healthy. So put soil. I'm sorry, my arm is on your way. Alright. I love white pot in the house. I do love white pots. Whoa! Alright. they're gonna be all right. Mm-hmm. I am not putting weight on it. I am just trying to fill the gap at the side. That way it got soil. Okay, woo. Turn around. I cannot sing the song because it will give me CPR. Copyright. I don't like that. And that song's copyright is so bad because I do live streaming and I sing on my live streaming and I always got CPR from that song. That's why I try not to sing it. But sometimes I just got to. Anyway, let's use that. That is so expensive soil. Alright, so we're going to put this bark on top of it. Okay. Alright, that's crazy. So we got that bark there. I hope it helps the plant. But yep, that's how I did it. Okay. I think I should put something to hold it, huh? Okay. I did not put my microphone again on me, but it's alright. I'm just going to get something to hold it. Ta-da! Okay, put it right here. I actually put this already. I used these to hold my other plant, but since I'm not using it with that plant anymore, I can just use it with this one. Okay, I'm going to remove my glass because it's quite nice on me. Okay, so I need to see because I need to remove these here. Ouch. I don't have my little pliers, so I need to deal with it. Okay. Alright. Let's get it all together here. See, I have this wire. It's a wire. What kind of wire is this? I forgot. It's a I really forgot what wire is this. But it's a wire. So that's how I'm gonna do it. To hold my plant. Anyway, they're gonna get their strength very, very soon, for sure. It's just, it needs time. So like you see here, it doesn't have much potting soil. I mean, it doesn't have soil, so that's why maybe it's like this. It's not doing so great, but it's already growing luscious on me. So now that they got those, maybe I'm going to put fertilizer here as well. We'll see. What do you think? Should I put fertilizer? I think I need to, huh? So yeah, I think I need to put fertilizer here. Okay. Very nice. I like it. I actually love it. Okay. So it's holding it now. See that? That's how tall it is. So it's gonna be all right there. I still have these label from my purchase. So that's the name of that plant. It's a Raven ZZ. It's Zamioculcas Zamiifolia Dowon. So that's it. I'm gonna put it back here because I just want to. That way I don't forget the name. Alright. And if I ever forget the name, I have that there. So since I have these, I am just going to put it in water a little later. I'm just gonna wait for this one to get dry. Okay, I see. Where did I put it? I bruised it actually, see that? Okay, let's trim it properly. So, I trim it and we're just gonna wait until it grows and, well, until it gets dry. And then I'm going to put it in water. And then that's all for today's video. Actually, that's all for today's video. Thank you all so much for your support as usual for watching my video. I really appreciate your support and always thanks. Thank you. Thanks so much. So that's how I did it. And if you would like to do it with your ZZ plants as well, that way, well, you can do it. But if you would like to propagate it, you can just divide it and put in a separate planter in separate pots, and it will just grow so luscious whenever you do that way. But this one here, it will take months. I actually have one that I managed to break here as well, and it's only this much, and it already has a roots here. It has a lot of nubbins roots there, so I'm just gonna put it in a water like what I did to that one. I actually broke it when I was watering these plants. When I was watering it, when I was using the pump, that's why when I tried to pull it, so that's what happened to me. I already said bye, but why I kept saying more thoughts? Anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.